Hi guys, so now I want us to look at the nth term of a cubic sequence. Right, the general formula is an cubed plus bn squared plus cn plus d, where a is not equal to 0. Okay, because once a is equal to 0, then it means we no longer have a cubic sequence. The reason why we call it a cubic sequence is because of this power 3. Okay, once that power 3 is gone, then it means there is nothing there. Right, so these are the general formulas that we use to find a, b, c, and d. So the first one is 6a is equal to the third difference, and the third difference is the one that we call the common difference. Okay, and then of course the second formula is 12a plus 2b is equal to the first term of the second difference. So you always start from the bottom going up. You'll see once we do the example. Then the third formula, 7a plus 3b plus c is equal to the first term of the first difference. And then finally we have a plus b plus c plus d is equal to the first term of the original sequence. Now let us get started. Let's get started. So I have numbers 6, 13, 32, 69, and 130. We're told these numbers are forming a sequence. Okay, so the first thing that you do, you're subtracting 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6, you get 7. You subtract 32 minus 13, you get 19. 69 minus 32, you get 37. Then 130 minus 69, we get 61. I'm sure you can see that these numbers, they don't look the same, so automatically this is not a linear sequence. So we move on to subtract again. 19 minus 7, you get 12, and then 37 minus 19, we get 18, and then 61 minus 37, we get 24. Again, these numbers, they don't look the same, so it's not a quadratic sequence. You carry on to subtract with your subtraction. 18 minus 12, we have 6 here. Then 24 minus 18, we have 6 again. So once these numbers look the same, then it means we have a common difference. So since the common difference came out the third time when we're subtracting, then that means this is a cubic sequence, common difference. Right, so this is the third difference. Actually, that's the third difference that was highlighted up there, the third difference. And this is the second difference here, and this was the first difference. And then the terms that we highlighted, okay, if you look at this equation, okay, let's look at the top one first. Let's start from 6a is equal to the third difference, which means we're taking this value. Okay, we're just taking that value, this one. And then the second one, we are going to take this value here. The third one, we're going to take this value. And then for the fourth equation, we're going to use this value. So you always start from the bottom going up to formulate those 4 equations. All right, so then now we are saying for us to get a, we're going to say 6a is equal to 6, since our first term there is 6. Right, 6a is equal to 6. So in this case, you can see after dividing by 6 both sides, you get your a as 1. So a is 1, we found a. Right, secondly, we're saying 12a plus 2b is equal to 12. 12a plus 2b equals 12. But we already know that a is 1, so this is 12 times 1 here, plus 2b equals 12. This is 12 plus 2b equals 12. So if I move 12 to the other side, I have 2b equals 0. So b is equal to 0. Right, I move on to the next one. So the next one, I'm equating 7a plus 3b plus c. 7a plus 3b plus c, this is equal to 7. So since we know that a is 1, that is 7 plus b is 0, this is plus 0, plus c equals 7. This 7 and the 7, when I take 7 that side, I subtract, they give me a 0 again. Right, then finally I am working on d. So a plus b plus c plus d is equal to the first term of the original sequence, which is 6. A is 1, b is 0, c is 0, plus d is equal to 6. So d is equal to 6 minus 1. That means d equals 5. So we are done with this. Then now we can say, right, the general formula for the nth term, Tn, is given by an cubed plus bn squared plus cn plus d. So a is 1, so I have n cubed here, plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. Then that means my answer is n cubed plus 5. So this is a cubic sequence. This is how we find the nth term of a cubic sequence. So things that are very key are these formulas here. If you memorize, master these formulas, you're okay. And remember, you always start from the bottom going up. You're using just that first column. I hope you got something from this one. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please share as well. Thank you. Bye.